Hello students, today I am explaining you intermediate second year 2B Maths chapter 6 integration 7 marks important question type 10. The type 10 which is in the form of integral a cos x plus b sin x by d cos x c cos x plus d sin x dx. Once again I read it, integral a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x dx. Based on this, I taken one problem here, that is 10th question. Evaluate integral 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. Let us solve this problem. Given that integral 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx. Here the question is in the form of fraction. It is a numerator and it is a denominator. Now we can write numerator is equals to a into d by dx denominator plus b into denominator. What can we write in this problem? Numerator is equals to a into d by dx denominator plus b into denominator. Yes. Now the numerator is what? 9 cos x minus sin x is equals to a into d by dx denominator. Denominator is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus b into denominator. What is denominator? 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Right, is equals to, as it is, write a into, so this 4 as it is, d by dx of sin x. So differentiation of sin x is cos x. And here cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So write minus 5 sin x plus, this is as it is, b into 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. And the LHS is what? 9 cos x minus sin x. So to find the a value and the b value, we want to multiple this bracket value with a and this bracket value with b. See, I am writing here 9 cos x minus sin x as it is equals to 4 into a cos x, 4a cos x minus a into 5 sin x, 5a sin x plus b into 4 sin x, 4b sin x plus b into 5 cos x, 5b cos x. Yes. Right now this LHS part as it is 9 cos x minus sin x is equals to, this is what? 4a cos a, 4a cos a, and one more term is here 5b cos x, 4a cos x, and that is 5b cos x. Take the cos x is common, then we get it what? 4a plus 5b, 4a plus 5b cos x. And next simplify the sin x terms, sin x, then plus minus 5a plus 4b sin x. So this is what? Minus 5a, and here it is plus 4b, minus 5a plus 4b. And what I am taking here, sin x is a common. Now we equate the cos x terms and sin x terms. Cos with cos, sin with sin. then it is 9 cos x is equals to, here it is 4a plus 5b into cos x, and one more is what, minus sin x is equated with minus 5a plus 4b into sin x. Now we can cancel cos x both the sides. Then what we remain, 9 is equals to 4a plus 5b. Right, this is in order. Then 4a plus 5b is equals to 9 is the first equation. And this side we can cancel sin x both the sides. Then here remains minus 1 is equals to minus 5a plus 4b. Right, it is in order. Minus 5a plus 4b is equals to minus 1 is what, second equation. Next we want to solve 1 and 2 equations. Solve 1 and 2 equations. What is here? 1, 4a plus 5b is equals to 9. And what is the second equation? Minus 5a plus 4b is equals to minus 1. To eliminate a or b, that a terms and b terms are not equal. That's why I am multiplying the first equation with 5 and the second equation with 4 to eliminate a. See, 5 4s are 20, 20a plus 5 5s are 25b is equals to 5 9s are 45. Here plus into minus minus, 4 5s are 20a and plus 4 4s are 16b is equals to 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Now this 20a minus 20a gets cancelled and add them. It is what, 11 3 4 41b is equals to here 41. Then b is equals to 41 by 41. You can cancel it one time. So b is equals to what? 1. We get b is equals to 1. That b value substitute in any one of the equation in these two. We can substitute that value in first equation or second equation. Now I am going to substitute that b value in first equation.
Go.
Yes. Now I am substituting b value in equation 1. So write 4a as it is plus 5 into b value is what, 1. In place of b I am substituting 1. 9 as it is. So 4a plus 5 ones are 5 is equals to 9. 4a is equals to 9. So transfer this plus 5 to right side, that becomes minus 5. So 4a is equals to 9 minus 5 is 4. So a is equals to 4 by 4. Cancel one time. A is equals to is also 1. So therefore a is equals to 1 and b is equals to also 1. Yes. Integral 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx is the question, is equals to integral. In place of this numerator we can write a into, this is what, d by dx denominator, it's a denominator, 4 cos x minus 5 sin x, the differentiation of denominator, plus b into denominator. So now I am substituting in place of a is 1 and b is 1. So 1 into 4 cos x minus 5 sin x plus b is also 1 into 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx, and is equals to integral 1 into, the bracket value will come same, So 4 cos x minus 5 sin x plus here also 1 into will get same thing 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x into dx. Now separate this denominator with this and also with this. So we are splitting the denominator with numerators. So you can write now this by this plus and this by this. Yes, after we wrote separate. So this part is in the form of integral f dash x by f of x. See 4 is as it is, sin x differentiation is cos x and 5 is as it is, cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So that's why this is in the form of f dash x by f of x dx. And its formula is a log mod f of x plus c. So this is the formula. And this side, this numerator and denominator both are same, so we cancel them one time. So for the first part we can write it now, log mod f of x is what? Denominator 4 sin x plus 5 cos x and plus integral 1. Integral 1 is what? X plus c. So this is the final result. What is the final result? Log mod of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus c.